Identify the three parts and solve. 40 is 25% of what? Okay, so this is a percent problem. So we know that there's going to be three parts here, right? A is P percent of B. Okay, and that's just the way that the problem is written out in words. And the equation that we use to solve is A equals P over 100 times B. Okay, so there's three variables here, right? We're always given two of them, so you're just going to have to find the third, right? So what do we got? Well, 40 is 25% of what? A is P percent of B. We notice here that A is going to equal to 40. The percent always the easiest one, right? Because it sort of tells us, right? So in this case, P is 25. So we notice here that B is the unknown value, right? We want to know what B is. So let's go ahead and plug everything in, right? 40 equals 25 over 100 times B. And using algebra now, we can solve this for B. Okay, before we do so, we could simplify this, right? 25 over 100 is 1/4. Okay, so mathematically, how would we solve this for B? Okay, that should be a multiplication here, right? In order to solve for B, we should multiply both sides by 4 over 1. Okay. So just because we simplified this, right, the 1/4 and that 4 will cancel out. So we should get our final answer here, right? What is 4 times 40? It's going to be 160. Okay. So think about what that means, right? Remember, A over B. The percentage is going to be A over B. So let's say you got 40 points out of 160 on something. Doesn't matter what it is, right? This, remember, in your calculators, when you just punch this in, 40 divided by 160, that's 0.25, right? Okay. But what is this as a percentage, though? Right? So that is going to equal this 25% here. So make sure you're aware of the differences between the decimal form and the percent form.